PERFELX waterproof sealer. Step 1 tools preparation. Whisk sander, trowel scraper, screwdriver, tile grout, glove, tap wire, ball, plug board, electronics, scales, other auxiliary materials. Step 2 SUBSTRSTE treatment. Before brush the sealer, wear the glove well. Organize out the toilet sundry, skin, clean the grout. Use a flashlight, find the water leakage points. Wipe hard on the tile with sander, remove the wax and stains on the surface. Use trowel, clean the filler inside and on both sides of the joint. Clean the floor, floating dust is not allowed. Blow the tile pores with a hairdryer to keep the caps dry. Clean up the tile joint with a hairbrush. Polish the hard clean joint with a steel wire ball. Clean up the remaining stains from the joint, keep the joint dry. Step 3 tile grouting. Squeeze the grout with 45-degree angle to the ground, finish or regrout. Wipe off the extra grout with slightly moist sponge. Wash repeatedly with sponge. Step 4 brush the sealer. Mark the facade brush line with colored tape. Finish the roller brush edges with adhesive tape. Pour the waterproof sealer in the bucket by 1:1 blend ratio. Stir the waterproof sealer apart with a mixer. Repair the joint with a hairbrush. Includes the toilet, sink and the surrounding joint of the tile. Brush the vertical, inside and outside corner with wool brush or roller. Pay attention to control the thickness and height of sealer during the vertical construction. One-time brush to prevent the flow handling that affecting the aesthetic effect. If any place that roller cannot reach, use hairbrush. Pour the waterproof sealer again by 1:1 blend ratio. Add white corundum anti-slip particles in proportion and stir well. Brush the ground evenly with waterproof sealer by roller. Pay attention to eliminate the roller printing on the film one-time rolling. Step 5 inspection. Use isolation warning to prevent personnel and animals from entering in case damage the overall effect. Clean up the garbage auxiliary materials after construction. Service is available after 6 to 8 hours.